Hello, today we'll be replacing the blend door actuator in a 2010 Dodge Avenger. And the noise that you're hearing is the blend door actuator. And this particular vehicle has 3 blend door actuators. And in this video I'll be showing you how to get to all 3 other locations and replace the damaged one. And 2 of them are located behind the glove box. And to remove the glove box, you want to press in on both sides of the glove box. And now you want to unhook this retainer. And all you want to do is pull down slightly and push it out the hole. And as you can see, this retainer to the glove box is a pull down string. And lastly, you want to pull out on the glove box to unhook the clips. And this is the first one and then the second one. To find out which is the faulty actuator, I like pressing on the actuator itself and you should feel the clicking. And I do not feel it on this one. Or you can test it the second method, which is disconnecting the connector. And if the clicking still continues, then you know it's not the right one. And to disconnect it, all you have to do is press in on this tab and pull out on the connector. So we know that this actuator is not the problem. And the second actuator is located all the way to the right side of the glove box. But the sound is definitely on the driver's side, so I will not even test this one. So now to get to the third and the actual faulty actuator, you want to remove the cover underneath the steering column. And to remove this cover, all you gotta do is pull back on them. And it has 2 tabs on the bottom as well. And now you want to remove the small metal cover. And you want to use a T20 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws. And this last actuator is located right above the gas pedal. And you can actually notice the arm move with every click. And to remove it, the first thing you want to do is disconnect the electrical connector, which is the same as the other connector. You just press in on the tab and pull back. And now you just want to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. The location of this actuator makes it difficult to record and remove the part as well. And this is the rail where the actuator arm sits. So when reinstalling the actuator, you want to make sure that the arm sits in this groove. And this is our replacement actuator. It should be the same for all 3. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that it matches with the old part. And we can now swap over the actuator arm. And all you gotta do is pull it off from the actuator. I found it easier to install the actuator arm first and then install the actuator. And this is a close-up view of the actuator with the two screws. And here is the actuator arm installed on the rail. And here is the operation of the actuator arm. And that clicking noise is now completely gone. And we can now go ahead and reinstall everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and consider subscribing.